All right, so this is our new HyperDoc that we're going to be using from here on out for the rest of the year. I just kind of wanted to go through this and show you guys what it looks like and how it works. So up top, you guys clicked right here. That shows you guys the video of me going through this. If you come down, there are some learning targets which you should be able to do at the end of this lesson, supplies, things that would help if you had them around your house to help you go through the lesson. And then there's these different types of headings right here. Over on the side, it's going to give you time about how long it should take you. If it takes you a little bit less, that's fine. If it takes you quite a bit more than 10 minutes for this first bit, then that might mean you need to ask some questions or just move on to the next thing because you don't want to spend too much time on it. You're going to have these 2 tasks to go through and do. You just need to click on the link, open it up, and it'll take you to some slides where I need you to answer some questions for me. So it gives you a picture, it gives you these questions, these prompts, and then you're going to come down here, type in your name, you're going to answer the question and give me an explanation as to why. Then coming down to explore, we're going to review the area of circles and rectangles. That was a 6th grade topic. Go ahead, watch those 2 videos. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say this. At the bottom of each section, there's a quick little checklist. Those are all the things that you should do for that section. On explain, then we're going to start some new notes. So this is me doing a video going over volume for you. There's a video here for vocabulary. There's some practice problems. You can use Desmos on Alex. Then there's apply. Again, there is a link here that when you try to open it, it makes you make a copy because I want everybody to have their own. And when you finish it, I need you to send this copy to me. You need to email this copy to me, because you're going to have to go through and answer some questions and do some tasks. And I want to see your answer, and yours might be different from other people's. Hopefully it's all the same. And again, when you're done with all that, make sure you email it to me. So you need to go File, Share, and then you can email it to me. Again, my email address, in case you need it, is andrea.larosa@lcps.org, right there for you. There's also this Scooby Snacks thing. That's a 2nd task. You can choose whichever one of those you want to do. If you choose both, that's great because it worked with both shapes, prisms, and cylinders. Mrs. Prada worked very hard on that Scooby Snacks one. She did a really good job. When we get to share, we have a Padlet for you. So if you click on that, open that link, it takes you to a Padlet that answers that question. I've already done an example answer in here for you. It just, how can you use estimate volume in the real world? I did an example of how I use volume in the real world. I estimate volume when I try to find tubs to put my leftover food in. How do you use volume in the real world? Reflect. There's going to be a master checklist assigned to you to go through and check, make sure you've done everything that you need to for this unit. And that's going to be on Google Classroom. And then extend, click here. There is a link that takes you to a slideshow. I give you 2 different juice containers, a can and a box, and you're going to have to go through, answer some questions, do some math with those juice boxes, and then again, type your name, type your answers here for me. If you have questions on any of these things, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you with anything. Same thing with Mr. Snook. We really miss you guys, and if you have questions on things, feel free to let us know.